Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 20. Are you ready to start? Let's go!
First, we have number 1. This is the number 1. Next up is number 2. Here's the number 2. Moving on, we have number 3. This is the number 3. Now, let's look at number 4. Here is the number 4. Great! Next is number 5. This is the number 5. Now we have number 6. Here's the number 6. Next is number 7. This is the number 7. Now, let's learn number 8. Here's the number 8. Moving on to number 9. This is the number 9. Now we have number 10. Here's the number 10. Great job! Let's look at number 11. This is the number 11. Next is number 12. Here's the number 12. Now we have number 13. This is the number 13. Next up is number 14. Here's the number 14. Now, let's learn number 15. This is the number 15. Almost there. Here's number 16. This is the number 16. Now we have number 17. Here's the number 17. Next is number 18. This is the number 18. Almost done. Here's number 19. This is the number 19. And finally, we have number 20. This is the number 20. Thank you for joining me on this counting adventure. Keep practicing, and you'll be counting like a pro in no time.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.